So this is the first method. So you click on settings, then click on connections, then click on Wi-Fi, and then click on the settings icon on the Wi-Fi. Here you can be able to connect to this Wi-Fi by just scanning the code. You will not use any password. So the second method is going to Play Store. Just click on the Play Store app, and then I'm going to want you to search WPC Connect, and then click on any of these two apps here. Just download any of these apps and then open, and then click on the scan, refresh icon there, and then you're gonna click on the Wi-Fi with the green icon only. Click on the Wi-Fi with the green icon, and then click, and here you can connect using these pins. Just click on the try icon there, and then you'll be connected within seconds. Remember, only Wi-Fi with the green icon can be connected using this method, okay? Not the red icon. So the third and the most important method is this one. I'm going to want you to follow more carefully. Go to settings, click on connections, click on Wi-Fi, and I'm going to want you to follow these steps carefully, okay? Then click on the Wi-Fi you want to connect, and then click on view more. Click on view more. Then in IP address settings, click on static, okay? Click on static, and in IP address, I'm going to want you to click this code, okay? Input this code, okay? Just click 192.168.1.1.128, okay? And then in DNS2, I'm going to want you to click 000, okay? 0000, okay? Just follow these steps carefully, okay? And in proxy, just click on manual, and in proxy host name, just click on proxy proxy.wi-fi, okay? .wi-fi.connect, okay? And in proxy port, just click this code 000, okay? 4 zeros, okay? And in WiFi proxy 4, I'm going to want you to click on my comp. Just follow these steps, okay? My comp at proxy, and here just click on connect, and this will be connected. Remember, this method can only work for you if you have subscribed to my channel to create a link between the connections, okay?